Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I will tell you how can you write a program to print factorial of a number using while loop. But before starting, I want you to let you know, please access this playlist to start learning Python from scratch to advanced level. So now let's move to our topic. So first you have to declare a variable named num in which you have to take input of a number, and then you have to declare a variable named factorial which is initialized by 1, and then another variable which is initialized by 1. Then while num is less than I, factorial equals to factorial into I, or that can also be written like this. Then I equals to I plus 1, which can also be written like this. Then print factorial equals to factorial. So here what is happening, first we have taken a number here, and then we have declared a variable named factorial which is initialized by 1, and then also we have declared another variable named I which is also initialized by 1. So while I is less than num, so let us say we have entered a number 5. So if num I is less than num means if 5 is less than if 1 is less than 5, which is true, factorial equals to factorial into I means 1 will be multiplied by 1, and then again, and the I will increase by 1, and then again it will check if 2 is less than 5. So yes, 2 is less than 5. Then factorial equals to factorial into 2. Then this will store 2. Then that value will be stored to factorial, and this will goes on till condition false. So this is how this is calculating factorial of a number using while loop. So let's run the program. So I will enter here 5. So here you can see factorial equals to 120, which is correct. So hope this video is helpful for you. Please let me know your thoughts in the comments, and if you want me to make any video on any topic, let me know. Thanks for watching.